Honda GX690 won't start. I had no, I turned it on, nothing, and no electricity here, okay? And it's not the oil, because you'd have something there if it was the oil. Anyway, what I did was I popped this cover off, right, real easy. That just pops. Are we seeing here? Can't see. I apologize. It's harder for me to see when I'm shooting at. Okay, you just pop this out, and there's no, you just pop out these little holes right here. And there's your fuse right there. Anyway, my fuse was bad. I'm going to put a new one in. There's a new one. Not the right amps, but it'll fit. And should get us going. What had happened? Popped another fuse right over here. Okay. Anyway, what had happened was water had gotten inside of here somehow. So anyway, I cut all this off and I see what I got. Melted a bunch of wires down here. Two of them. See here. Anyway, see if I can get a quick fix on this here on the job site. Go back to the shop and fix it the right way. Okay, I've got power now. What I did was I found the two wires. Two wires got burnt. And there was a wire burn. Anyway, I'm going to take my leaf blower and blow all this out real good. I don't know. I think it's probably okay. What I did was I had some little alligator clips and stuff. And luckily I had two of them. And I connected them, the two wires together. I matched the colors up to what goes in there. And this tape here, it's just to keep anything from touching anything. You get it, right? Anyway, we're going to fire it up now.